Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to see how can we unpivot with the help of a stack function in Scala. So, what is the stack function? So, one thing I would like to say here, unpivot function is not available in Spark. So, if you want to do a unpivoting of a pivoted data frame, we need to use Scala. We need to use stack. So as I have said, on pivot function is not available, hence we use stack function. So stack function is used to convert columns into rows. So in this exercise, what I am just doing, I am just importing all the required libraries. Here I am creating a custom schema with the help of a struct type and a struct field. Here I am just defining column name and its data types with the help of a struct field. You can see over here. There are 6 columns and their data types. I am creating this data frame by reading this CSV file with the help of a spark.read.csv function with the help of this custom data frame which we have created above. Once this data frame gets created, then on the top of the data frame, first I have implemented this group by function on top of AP state column, and then I am pivoting it based on the AP gender column, and I am fetching what is the total number of records based on this pivoted columns value. Once this data frame gets created, then again what I am going to do, I am just going to unpivot this data frame is the pivoted data frame. Now I want to unpivot it. So how I can do the unpivot it? We can do with the help of a stack function. So let's see what I have done here. First, on the pivoted data frame, what I am just doing, I am just selecting the required columns on which we have done this group by, and when this group by is done, then with the expression function I am using this stack function, and I am just putting male into male value, female into female value in AP gender. And what the value we are looking for, we are looking for the count value. Whatever the pivoted things we have done here, bro, we are doing this unpivoted things here. So till here by creation of this pivoted data frame we have done in the previous exercise. So I will going to copy the data till this pivoting thing, and then I will just show you how we can unpivot that pivoted data frame with the help of a stack function. So let's go to the Databricks and see how stack function is going to work. Let's first create a notebook. Name it unpivot with stack. Let's connect this notebook with our cluster. Let's copy the data till pivoting. So let's copy the code. This will going to import all the required libraries. This will create a custom schema. This will read the CSV file and create data frame. This will do pivoting of this data frame. So let's run this code one by one. All the required libraries are available in this notebook. Let's create the custom schema. Custom schema has been created successfully. Let's create this data frame by reading all the CSV file which is present in this folder. Now let's apply the pivot function. So pivoting has been applied. First it is grouped by on AP state, and pivoting is doing here with the help of AP gender column. So all the rows after this group by condition present in this AP gender column, it will convert it into rows to columns. So let's display this data frame. Okay, this is the pivoted data frame columns value. Now let's see how we are going to implement the unpivot with the help of a state function. So let's create a data frame. Let's first select which column we want to select. We are selecting AP state, and the AP state, what we are doing, we are just calling this expression function, and in this expression function let's call this state function, and in state function we need to just put how many values are there. Let's it would be 2. No, these are not, there are 3 columns, right? 1 2 3, so we need to put 3 here, and after that, what, why I am just putting it here 3, because after pivoting this gender column, there are 3 columns are there. One is null, one is female, and one is male. Then what I'm during the unpivoting, so we need to just here put what is the number of columns is it gets created. So it is 3. Then what we need to do, first put male in male, and then female is in female, and null in null, as name of the column is AP gender, and then what we are just doing, count. Let's run it. Okay, what it is saying, that female, male. So what the mistake I have done here, first I am selecting this AP state, then okay, this exp this is the right function name. Now we have done the unpivoting. Let's see the content of this unpivoted data frame. We can see here this AP gender, now it has a 3 columns, and we have unpivoted it, and AP gender columns, how many values are there? Male, female, null, male, female, null, like this. So in this video we have seen, if we have a data frame which is pivoted one, and if you want to unpivot that pivoted data frame, then with the help of a state function we can able to do it. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.